The doctor picked up a big pliers and then stuffed it into the boy's nostrils. After a few minutes of effort, he pulled out a lifeguard from the boy's nostrils. Then the doctor sold to his father. Powered by Dubverse. Who would have thought that as soon as the doctor put down the lifeguard, the boy cried and dug non-stop. The doctor suddenly realized that there might be something in the nostrils, so he tried to pick it up again. But this time the boy was very resistant and could see that there must be something in it. After the doctor's efforts, he did pick up another firefighter. At this time, the doctor was sure that there must be a fire truck in the boy's nostrils. Sure enough, there really is a fire truck. At this time, the doctor looked at these toys and suddenly noticed that there was something missing in the boy's nostrils because there was something to save him. There must be a target to be saved, so the doctor pulled out a strong magnet. As soon as the boy's nostrils were sucked in, a metal puppy was sucked out. At this time, the boy calmed down and the doctor finally completed his mission.